Dimples are small folds in the fleshy part of the cheek. They are the result of a minor muscle deformity. There are few ways to get this adorable facial feature through simple facial exercises. First is pull your cheeks in. In this exercise, suck your cheek in to create a hollow. Now do this daily for 15 minutes. Repeat this daily until you see the desired results. Next technique is index finger technique. Locate the areas on your cheeks where the indentations are the deepest. Using your index finger, press the sides of your cheeks, the spots where dimples show up. Keep your fingers firmly pressed to the spots for about 5 minutes. Gradually ease your expression into a wide smile while keeping your fingers fixed to the same spots on your face. Repeat this ritual 20 times a day. Do this daily until you get the desired results. Next technique is using a pencil to get dimples. Take a back of a pencil which has not been sharpened and dig it into your cheeks for 5 minutes. Do this several times, let's say about 10 times daily, and your cheeks will gradually hollow out to form dimples. If nothing works and you still want a dimple, just use a makeup trick to create a fake dimple.